Hey everybody, welcome back to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel. In today's really fun video, I'm going to show you how to make cookies and cream chocolate bark. For my first step, I just want to remove all of the cream that's inside the Oreo because we're just going to be using the cookie portions. So I'll keep doing these and I'll come back in a bit. So for this recipe I've decided to use, how many do I have here? 5. So I'm just going to get these together just to make it a little easier. I'm going to grab a knife. And I do want to have a little bit of texture in my white chocolate bark. So I don't want to go super small. I just want to break these down just enough. See, like that. You don't want to go too small. I think that's good. So I have my 5 chopped up Oreo cookies. I'm just going to give this another stir. That's good. And then I'm just going to pour about half of this. And then we'll just give it a little bit of a stir. I want to see how this looks. Little recipes like this I always do by eye. You can see that looks good. If you want it a little bit more, okay, sure, a little bit more. I'll go like that. So that's about 3/4 of that. So maybe that's, about three of the cookies. And I would say that that's enough for this. That looks good. So then, now you can make little puddles of chocolate, which are always fun if you want to give them out individually, or you can just make a very large bark and then break them up afterwards. So we'll get all of this out. And I'm going to switch over to a little spatula to make sure we get everything out. And that's good. And then it's up to you. Just do the thickness that you want. Oh, this smells amazing. I think that looks good. Perfect. So I'm just going to let that sit there and I'll come back in a little while and we'll check it out. So this is a few hours later and my white chocolate has set up really well. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go underneath and I'll just show you. You can see that, you can hear how hard that is. Nice. And then I'm just going to tilt and then just slowly peel this off. And there we have it. Oh, you know this is going to be good. So let's bring in a cutting board. You have 2 different options. You can just snap it apart or you can just use a knife and cut it up like that. I'm just going to grab my knife and cut right through it. And you can see a nice snap to it. Now just cut it into the pieces that you want. Oh. So look, I'll just do one with let's do a little snap test. Look at that. Of course I'm going to have to go in for a little bite. That's really good. If you like chocolate and you like Oreos, you have to try something really simple like this. Super easy. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish. I really do appreciate that. And if you're on Facebook, you can check me out at facebook.com/BakeLikeAPro. So that's it for today's video, and I'll see you next time. Look at that. Snap. That's so good. And please subscribe to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video.